Hi, boys and girls, and welcome to Learning with Miss Nancy. And I have a very exciting activity for you today. But before we begin our lesson, I'd like to know, have you had your water? No? Well, get your water so that we can sip together. You ready? Let's take a sip together. Ah, so refreshing. Let's take another sip together. Wonderful. And remember to drink lots of water every day to stay hydrated and healthy. Now let's begin our lesson. Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to learn the difference between two, T-O, two, T-O-O, and two, T-W-O. So, let's see if you can spot which one is wrong before I fix it. We're going to look at the sentences. It's going to be wrong first, and then we're going to correct it, okay? The first sentence says, I am going to the park, T-O-O. Is that the correct to? That doesn't look right. I am going to the park, T-O-O. No, we have to use T-O. That too. I am going to the park. We use T-O when we are going somewhere. I am going to the park, T-O. Okay. Let's look at sentence number 2. Take a minute and read it by yourself. Okay, now let's read it together. I have 2 apples. Uh-oh, I have 2 apples. Is that the correct 2? No, we need the 2 that is spelled T-W-O because we're talking about what? A number. We're talking about the number 2. I have 2 apples. T-W-O is a number. Okay. You're getting it. Very good. Look at sentence number 3. Read it by yourselves quietly, and then we'll read it together. Ready? Can I come too? Can I come too? Is that the correct 2, boys and girls? No. In this sentence, you need a double O, T-O-O, which means may I come in addition, may I come also, T-O-O. Can I come too? Can I come also? All right. Sentence number 4. Read it quietly to yourself, and then we're going to read together. Are we ready? All right. My shoes are too big. Is that the correct 2? Oh no, that's not the correct 2. This 2 means more than enough. We need the T-O-O. That means very much, more than enough. My shoes are very big. So this 2 means very. T-O-O. That's the 2 that we want. All right? Let's look at sentence number 5. Read it by yourself. Okay. I want to go outside. Is that the correct to? Of course it's not, because TOO means to have a lot, very, too much of something. When we want to go somewhere, we need what? The TO. I want to go outside. And we use that to, we're going to get sophisticated now before a verb, before an action word, a word that does something. To go, to run, to play. That's the to that we use. All right. And the last sentence, read it by yourself. Are we ready to read it together? They have too many toys. Is that the correct to? They have too many toys. Well, this is the number 2, so we know that's not right. Which to means having a lot, very much of. Yes, you got it. TOO. They have too many toys. Great job, boys and girls. And I want you to continue to practice. Practice makes perfect. So you'll understand to, 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 TWO, and to, TOO. Bye for now.